everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on bedtime mode on your Xiaomi phone. And this will silence your device, dim the wallpaper, and change the screen to black and white at bedtime. And only calls from starred contacts, pretty much who you favorite, and repeat colors and alarms will reach you. So if it's some random spam call or someone calls you once, well, it's not going to wake you up, so this is probably good to have on. So go to next under here. And then you can set up the time for, the bedtime from 11 p.m., 7 a.m. right here. And that sounds pretty good. So I can just set this and then allow. And then you can see bedtime mode is off right now. We got it turned on. So I'm going to turn it on. And then we can turn it off right now. But it should just jump on and off during that specific time that you have set. And to get here, you want to swipe down from the top right and go to settings. And then going down to, bedtime mode is turned on right now. You can see how it darkens the screen to dark mode. And then going down to Digital Wellbeing and parental controls. Going down and go to bedtime mode. It turns on at 11 p.m. And then just set this up. So you got the bedtime routine. So maybe you don't want this on the weekends or something like that. And then we can customize more options down here. So just look at this as an option. Actually, it seems pretty good to have on your phone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.